Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Caitlin coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, September 6, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 76 degrees with partly sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the White Sox won last night against the Indians with a score of 7-1. The Cubs won last night against the Brewers with a score of 10-5. The Bears lost last night to the Packers with a score of 3-10. Today's announcements are: band and orchestra groups lessons U through Y will meet today. Don't forget, today is Zero Waste Lunch. Now a message from Mrs. Rosenblum and Mrs. Fry.
Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy staff and students. Happy Friday. It's another wonderful day to be here at Hoover School. I want to first highlight some of our champions for positivity. These are students who have been working hard during the game of tag to make sure that they're playing tag in a very safe way. So I would call them gentle taggers, which would mean when they tag students, it looks a little more like a paintbrush, a soft, gentle stroke on their arm or on their back so that they know they're out. These are kids who I've heard can actually run very fast but still do a gentle tag. So congratulations to our champions for positivity, Tanya, Joey, Adria, Sarah, Alexa, Paige, Natalia, and Denise. And I know there's many more of you out there, so please keep up the good work. I also wanted to let you know that the Run to Read is coming up, and that is a huge goal this year because, right, we can be champions for collaboration and fitness by going to the Run to Read together. It's on Sunday, September 22nd. I would love to see a huge turnout from Hoover. I'll be sharing over the next couple of weeks which staff members will be going. I will be there, Herbie the Hawk will be there, and I hope all of you will be there too. All right, it wouldn't be Friday if we didn't have our school song. Come on in, students, join us too. Yeah, come on. There you go, you're right here. Good. Perfect.
Up with Hoover, they love us wherever we go. Up with Hoover, it's the greatest school we know. We work together, we learn together, we're tops in every way. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray, hooray!
Thanks, guys. Nice job. All right, Hoover, let's be champions together.
Thank you, Ms. Rosenblum and Mrs. Fry. This week's announcements were brought to you by the Frappuccino Goats. Have a fantastic Friday.